In the video you are about to watch, the disassembly of the 3B140LT open circuit valve with code VA36001064 will be demonstrated. First, the protective plastic caps are removed. Then, the internal circlip of the front cover is removed. Air is applied in the lowering position to remove the front cover. The caged fitting attached to the pump line is removed. The bolts holding the rear pneumatic block and cover are removed, and the pneumatic block and cover are taken out. The shaft is held with a screwdriver, and the rear pneumatic piston is removed using a special tool. Then the shaft is taken out. The pressure adjustment fitting is removed. Only the manufacturer can adjust the pressure. The bolt connected to the pressure gauge and the other bolt on the valve are removed. The caged fitting is disassembled. The pressure adjustment fitting is disassembled. The spring retainer shaft is removed. And the spring and piston are taken out. Thank you for watching.